Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a cover button using the rivet machine. So please stay tuned. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down below. Now let's dive into the tutorial. So that's the cover button dies. It has 4 components. And get your cover button and the base. Get your fabric and a scissors to cut in a circle size that will not be too big nor too small. Should be enough to cover your cover button cap. So you trim it neatly to get a round shape that will go into the cover button dies. You trim excess. Now place the base inside the dies of the cover button. Make sure it's balanced inside. And place the fabric and the cover button, the metal part of it. Fold it inside neatly. Make sure it's centralized. Fold it inside. Just wrap it around it. And take the inner component, fix it. After you're done fixing it, take the plastic button cover, place it inside also. Make sure it's balanced and put the cap of the dies. Take the rivet machine, exert little effort, and see your cover button is ready. Cover button is ready. You can see it's very neat, no excess, and it's very firm. Now it's ready to tack to your fabric. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.